Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the combination methods of fleet management. Generally speaking, fleet management mainly involves the allocation of vehicles and drivers. Vehicles can be either self-owned or provided by third parties, and drivers can also be either in-house or outsourced. Overall, the combination methods can be divided into 4 types. The first is using self-owned vehicles with in-house drivers, which is called company vehicles. Company personnel. Examples include e-commerce platform like VIP.com and JD.com self-operated logistics. The second is using third-party vehicles with third-party drivers, which is called contracted vehicles. Contracted personnel. The third combination method is using self-owned vehicles with third-party drivers, which is called company vehicles. Contracted personnel. The last method is using third-party vehicles with in-house drivers, which is called contracted vehicles. Company personnel. Now, let's think about 2 questions. Question 1. Company A is a large supermarket chain operator in Beijing with strong capabilities. It has 3 cell-phone distribution centers in the suburbs of Beijing. The company places great emphasis on the quality of its delivery services, cost control, and brand promotion. Which fleet combination method should this company generally choose for vehicle dispatch? Question 2. Company B is a well-known online bookstore, offering hundreds of thousands of books. To save costs, the company entrusts a courier service company with book delivery. Which fleet combination method does Company B use? First, let's understand the advantages and disadvantages of the 4 fleet combination methods. 1. Company vehicles. Company personnel combination. As the name suggests, both the vehicles and drivers belong to the company. This is the most common method. Advantages: easy to control delivery quality and service standards. Lower short-term costs. Enhances corporate image. Flexible in aligning with company policies. For example, when shopping on JD.com, products arrive on time, and delivery personnel wear uniforms and provide door-to-door service, ensuring a great customer experience. Disadvantages: long-term heavy workloads may lead to high driver turnover. The company bears vehicle depreciation and maintenance costs, higher long-term costs, and greater risks. 2. Contracted vehicles. Contracted personnel combination, also known as transportation service outsourcing, where both vehicles and drivers are contracted from other companies. This strategy is increasingly widely adopted, with many third-party logistics companies providing such services. Advantages: transfers risks to third-party logistics companies. No vehicle maintenance issues. High professionalism and efficiency of outsourcing companies. If multiple clients collaborate and use a single third-party logistics company for distribution, known as joint distribution, operational costs can be reduced through scale, improving the efficiency of vehicles, personnel, and other logistics resources. This creates a win-win situation for both clients and third-party logistics companies. For example, the UCN Rural Station plus Postal Expresses model efficiently integrates e-commerce, postal express delivery, and supply chain logistics resources. By conducting joint distribution for local agricultural products, logistics costs are reduced, saving approximately 25,000 yuan per Dalton Elton Y in last-mile delivery costs, and improving delivery efficiency by 60%. Online sales of agricultural products reached 100,000 items, generating 200 million yuan in sales and increasing farmers' income by 10 million yuan. Disadvantages: difficult to control delivery quality. Poor communication with outsourcing companies may increase management costs. 3. Company vehicles. Contracted personnel combination. This method uses self-owned vehicles with drivers contracted from other companies. Advantages: partially transfers risks. Professional delivery personnel improve efficiency. Disadvantages: still difficult to control delivery quality. 4. Contracted vehicles. Company personnel combination. This method uses vehicles rented from other companies with in-house drivers. It is typically used for seasonal or occasional needs, such as sudden increases in demand or unpredictable factors leading to vehicle shortages. Now that we understand the advantages and disadvantages of the 4 fleet combination methods, let's revisit the 2 questions. For Company A, the key points are strong capabilities. emphasis on delivery service quality, and brand promotion. Therefore, the suitable fleet combination method is company vehicles, company personnel, as it ensures control over service quality and helps build a good corporate image. For Company B to save costs, it entrusts delivery to another company, so the appropriate method is contracted vehicles, contracted personnel, fully outsourcing delivery operations to a third-party company. This transfers distribution risks to the third-party company and leverages the courier company's professionalism and efficiency. Now, have you mastered the application of these fleet combination methods? Next, please determine which fleet combination methods Company C and Company D should use. Share your answers in the micro lesson interactive section. See you in the next class.